How can you actually boost customer experience using AI without losing the human side of service? Today, AI isn't just about automation. It's about giving your teams smarter ways to deliver faster, more consistent, and more scalable support. Here are 3 ways AI can help improve your customer experience and how we've seen these strategies succeed in real operations. Tip 1. Use AI to guide, not replace your agents. Agents manage a lot, from navigating multiple systems and staying efficient to keeping up with consistently changing policies. Assistive AI helps by offering live suggestions based on what's happening in the moment. We've implemented Guru Assist, our real-time AI support tool, in customer experience team to do exactly that. With one vacation rental client, it led to a 20% drop in handle time and significantly faster onboarding because agents didn't need to memorize everything upfront. It's support that shows up exactly when the agent needs it. Tip 2, scale your QA with AI, 100% coverage. In many operations, QA teams only have time to review about 2% total interactions. That's just a handful of calls per agent. But that's like watching 2 minutes of a movie and thinking you got the plot. AI can review 100% of customer interactions, automatically scoring for tone, intent, and compliance. The result is more accurate coaching, trend detection, and higher consistency. In a large retail operation, this helped us push CSAT to 96%, while coaching became more actionable and data-driven. Tip 3, automate the repetitive. Keep the human touch where it matters most. Customers want fast answers to routine questions and empathy when things get complicated. AI tools like chatbots and voice assistants help handle high-volume repetitive tasks like billing inquiries or order updates. But then when the issue needs a person, the handoff happens seamlessly, with all the context carried over. Our gurus implemented this strategy for a client in the energy sector and saw a 71% move in workforce conversion, plus lower costs per interaction. These aren't just best practices. They're how we operate every day at the Office Gurus. We use tools like Guru Assist to guide agents in real time, automate QA across every interaction, and make sure AI handles what it should, so our gurus can focus on what matters most. That's how we deliver customer experience better, faster, more efficient. We focus on what matters. And if you're exploring how to bring AI into your CX, we'd love to talk.